Nike pushes innovation with the Astra Ultra Blue Void, a sleek, AI-influenced sneaker priced at $115. Building on the buzz of the debut Burgundy Crush release, this version introduces a cooler upper tone paired with a lighter gum sole. Its standout design element, wavy, fingerprint-like textures creeping from the sole to the heel, is the result of 3D generative AI modeling, as noted in Nike's official product listing. These futuristic contours aren't just visually striking, they signal a deeper integration of artificial intelligence into footwear design. Though full details remain scarce, the Astra Ultra continues Nike's legacy of forward-thinking, following in the footsteps of tech milestones like the Nike Mag and 3D-printed Air Max 1000. The Blue Void reimagines form and function, proving Nike's readiness to embrace cutting-edge creativity and reshape sneaker aesthetics for the next generation.